Hi friends, today's topic of discussion is transfer case. Transfer case is found in four-wheel drive in which all the wheels are driving wheel. Transfer case is connected to the transmission and also to the front axle and rear axle. Transfer box enables the driver to drive in two-wheel drive or shift to four-wheel drive. The transfer box enables the driver to drive in higher gear or low gear. Now let us study the construction or the arrangement of transfer case. This diagram shows the arrangement or the construction of transfer case. The input shaft is connected to the gearbox. The input shaft gears are free to rotate on the shaft. Each gear is provided with boss and axial teeth. There are two output shafts, one going to the front axle and the another going to the rear axle. Shifter mechanism A is present on the input shaft. The front output shaft is smaller in diameter. The front output shaft is provided with shifter mechanism B and it is having spline. Now let us see regarding the working of transfer case. When the shifter mechanism A is at the center, the drive is neutral. When the shifter mechanism A is connected to the input shaft with bigger gear, when shifter mechanism A is connected with the bigger gear and the shifter mechanism B disconnects front output shaft and rear output shaft, so there is a disconnect. In this position, two-wheel drive is obtained with higher gear, and when shifter mechanism A is connected to the input shaft with smaller input gear, and shift mechanism B connects front output shaft to rear output shaft. In this position, the movement is transferred from the input shaft to idle shaft and then it reaches the output shaft. In that case, low gear is obtained because it is coming from the smaller gear and then it goes to the idle gear and then it comes to the output shaft. In that case, low gear is obtained, and since front output shaft is connected to rear output shaft, that's why four-wheel drive is obtained. So this was regarding transfer case. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.